We are really happy because a previous client recommended his sister that is gonna buy this manufactured home on Deer Creek. She's gonna live in front of his father, and she's happy, and we are happy because we are gonna sanitize and clean this manufactured home. Right now I'm showing you the porch area with a lot of windows. We are gonna clean inside the window. We are gonna clean the rails, but also the shades. Florida has a lot of humidity, and the hat makes a mold spore stick on the window frames and also on the back of the shades. So she told me that she is about to replace that, but we can clean it, or we are gonna try to clean it. So that's the reason why we are use a botanical disinfectant. That the brand is Bio-esque, safe for the surface, as safe also for us, with really good smell, and also disinfect and deodorize at the same time. You can call us at 407-572-4118, and really appreciate that you are seeing our videos.